All right. So hi everybody. My name is Trenton and I'll be hosting today's Selecting Your Mobile Forms platform webinar. If at any point during the webinar today though you have any questions, go ahead and enter them into the chat box on the right hand side and we'll be sure to answer them at the end of the presentation today. All right. Now let's get started. Today, we're going to be discussing the features, functionalities, and benefits to look for when selecting mobile forms in a data capture platform, including the importance of a scalable solution, why to choose a flexible and customizable platform, what digital features to prioritize, the role of new data types, preserving your business's processes, the powerful mobile form integrations, the necessity of an offline data capture, the digital professionalism, and then we'll wrap it up with real-time data analysis and insights. So let's jump in. So making the transition from paper-based documentation to a digital data capture can feel like a daunting process for your team. Businesses often delay their search for a digital solution due to the sheer time and the financial obstacles, such as fear of disrupting existing workflows, the difficulty onboarding their team, the intimidating cost of that actual solution, and the need for IT or coding experience. Although these reasons for delaying digitization are understandable, there are a variety of solutions available to help teams sidestep these obstacles of their digital transformation without depleting their budget or disrupting their operation. Mobile forms provide an incredibly flexible professional solution to traditional data collection obstacles, while simultaneously introducing new opportunities to streamline business processes and reduce administrative overhead. So, where should your business begin the hunt for a digital data capture and paperless form solution? Well, let's dive right in and explore the features, functions, and benefits to look for when selecting your mobile forms and data capture solution. So when searching for a digital solution, it's very important to consider the long-term goals and growth of your business. Selecting a Band-Aid solution like fillable PDFs or homegrown IT solution to temporarily improve one or two elements of your business leads to wasted spend and isolated data and also frequent inaccuracies. Achieving sustainable long-term results from your mobile forms and digital data capture requires a scalable solution that can grow alongside your operation, from those small mom and pop businesses to those enterprise level companies. To identify which mobile form solution will scale to meet your growing needs of your business, look for an easy to use form builder, a familiar interface for their end users out in the field, opportunities to integrate your forms with other business applications, the ability to automate key data capture processes, and device optimized viewing modes. For example, what works best for your phone may not work as well on a tablet. All right, let's move on to another important element to look for when selecting your solution, which is a flexible and customizable platform. A scalable digital data capture solution offers the flexibility to customize your forms, your fields, and any workflows whenever and however you may need them. For many businesses, achieving the freedom to customize their documents and data capture is often limited by the reliance on IT support and the rigid nature of some of these digital solutions. When purchasing your mobile form solution, it's critical to select a platform that requires low to no coding experience. The ability to create and manage your own mobile forms collections allows your team to act self-sufficiently and address their own needs faster. Low to no code solutions generally feature an easy to use form builder, allowing users to select or drag and drop field types onto their now mobile forms. These low to no code form builders allow mobile form creators to pick and choose the fields and features they need and regularly optimize their own forms. So let's keep it moving and discuss the importance of intuitive onboarding and a familiar interface. So when selecting your mobile forms platform, consider how this new solution will impact your team. Like how much will they need to relearn? Or how intuitive will the solution be for them? Some so-called solutions place the responsibility on the end user, forcing teams to capture data within new and unfamiliar app interfaces, further complicating their onboarding and potentially disrupting existing daily workflows and processes. By selecting a mobile form solution that preserves that look of your original paper forms, your new digital copies can be more seamlessly implemented throughout your whole organization. Working within an interface they already know will empower your team to more quickly and confidently adapt their mobile forms, dramatically reducing that onboarding time and the cost. Here's an insider tip though. When selecting a solution that provides an alternative viewing options, tailor to the different screen sizes. For example, platforms like GoForms provide two viewing modes. Users can toggle between the original mobile forms on larger screen sizes and an app-like index of fields designed for smaller screen sizes. All right, now let's talk about how these new data types can elevate your documentation process. Filling out forms on mobile devices presents end users with endless benefits, including the ability to capture and route new data types unattainable via these paper forms. Leveraging your mobile form's native features, data types like images can be easily added to your form and annotated with highlighted key features. This functionality is incredibly powerful when working in difficult locations or communicating with your customers out in the field. For example, imagine you're a tower crane inspector. Rather than burdening yourself with a camera and post-inspection image printing, job site photos can be instantly added to your mobile forms with just the tap of a finger. Then you can also highlight key inspection details, maybe like a safety hazard, by simply annotating that image now on your mobile form. All right, now let's talk about how when researching your mobile form solution, it's important to prioritize these new data types. Features like digital signature boxes not only improve efficiencies via real-time authorization, but can also help elevate your compliance, improving professionalism, and much more. Additional data types like GPS, maps, sketches, and barcode scanning bring further benefits to your now mobile forms. Let's move on to the benefits of a solution that enables users to pre-fill in forms with form fields. So a fantastic result of digitizing your forms for use on mobile devices is the ability to effortlessly streamline data entry and expedite form completion. When comparing mobile forms platforms, keep in mind the automations and dynamic properties offered by each solution. While some solutions require the same data to be re-entered form after form, your chosen platform should offer opportunities to instantly fill previously captured, highly accurate data via these intuitive actions. With mobile forms platforms like GoForm, scanning a barcode or selecting a drop-down item can instantly populate relevant fields with data from your account or form integrated platforms. For example, if a user was scanning product barcodes into an inventory form, the product name, manufacturer, and price fields could be instantaneously filled in with accurate data from connected databases. This dynamic feature not only accelerates form completion, but also increases data accuracy. All right, let's check out how your forms can be further automated to help save you time and work more accurately. So whichever mobile forms platform you select should also provide automations that extend beyond the form itself. Affected mobile forms act as a front end to your connected system and data collection, liberating isolated data via real-time routing and dynamic automations. These mobile form automations turbocharge your existing processes, allowing forms and data to move at the speed of digital. By routing your form workflows, your teams can instantly route copies of completed forms to teammates and customers. You can also transfer form drafts to teammates, streamlining that collaboration among your operation. You can also spawn new forms pre-filled in with data with those connected databases. You can update connected systems like Salesforce, Procore, ServiceMax, and Box. You can run and deliver reports at the speed of digital. You can also amend databases in spreadsheet once the forms are completed, and then you can notify collaborators when a form is ready. And really, that's just the tip of the iceberg. So next, let's discuss how these mobile forms can help sanitize your operations captured data. With paper forms, collected data must be hand-delivered and manually rekeyed into applications, resulting in frequent delays and opportunities for errors. When selecting mobile forms platforms as a front end for data capture, collected information is pre-processed and sanitized prior to updating connected business systems and databases. Throughout your mobile forms platform selection, keep an eye out for features that can tidy up your data by increasing accuracy and completeness. Features like automatic calculations help to ensure that your form totals and figures are accurate, with the added bonus of eliminating that manual math for your team out in the field. Similarly, dynamic features like required fields allow form creators to make a field mandatory based on input values on another field in your form. Ensuring data entered into the forms is highly accurate elevates not only the quality of your mobile documents, but also the data quality across your entire operation. So this pre-processing paired with the data sharing automation results in effortless improvements in data quality and real-time efficiencies. So it is crucial that your chosen mobile form solution supports the seamless exchange of data between your mobile forms and connected applications. This constant current of real-time information enriches every inch of your operation, leading to increased visibility and more impactful insights. When researching mobile form solution, take time to explore which of the critical applications can be integrated. Using mobile forms platforms like GoForms, your forms can be easily integrated with applications like Salesforce, Procore, Smartsheets, ServiceMax, Box, G Suite, Office 365, Dropbox, Ignite, and so much more, empowering your team to instantaneously trigger the dispatch of forms pre-filled with integrated record data, dynamically update and create records within your integrated apps based on that form's data. You can upload completed forms with new data types like images and sketches. You can update form metadata and leverage integrated platforms and search capabilities. And then you can run detailed reports on all this collected data and create compelling dashboard. The benefits of connecting your mobile forms to other applications via turnkey integrations and available APIs are really endless. When searching for your mobile form solution, understanding the flexibility of a platform's integration capabilities is critical to long-term scalable success. But for most businesses, work isn't always confined to an office with Wi-Fi. For teams using mobile forms in the field, selecting a platform that supports offline data capture capabilities is especially important. An ideal mobile form solution will host your data while offline and then instantly sync data to the cloud once the signal does become available. Here's an insider tip. When using mobile forms platforms like GoForms, offline data source capabilities add to your form's flexibility. This functionality allows you to select a database to be synced to your mobile device. This way, fields can be instantly populated using database information without a signal. All right, let's move on to how choosing the right mobile forms platform can help your business work more professionally. When making a switch to digital, businesses often struggle with the unfamiliar look and feel of their mobile solution, a frustration only exacerbated when working with clients. When working with external facing documents, the right mobile form solution can easily elevate your team's professionalism. Leveraging a form solution that allows your business to preserve the original look of its forms provides customers with a familiar document improved with digital features and capabilities. Features like digital signatures, project images, and table fields presenting line items or hours worked add credibility and context to your form data, increasing that customer satisfaction. Using form automations, customer-facing forms can even be routed to clients as soon as they are completed, improving communication and accelerating those billing cycles. The real cherry on top, though, is your customers will never be subjected to coffee stains, illegible handwriting, or missing paperwork ever again. All right, finally, let's talk about reporting and data analysis capabilities. So even if your business amasses huge amounts of data, it all means nothing unless it's leveraged to garner meaningful insights. The most powerful mobile forms platforms provide not only built-in reporting, but but also the ability to route data to databases and business intelligence tools. Your business dashboards can update in real time as new data comes in via these mobile forms from the field, allowing you to make better decisions and move faster. So you ready to get started? And this is why you should choose GoForms. So GoForms mobile forms goes beyond the standard format. And this is the only mobile forms platform that leverages patented technology to allow users to create digital versions of their existing forms that look exactly like their originals. Using mobile forms that look exactly like your paper documents simplify and expedites onboarding, while providing a more professional, modern means of documentation for customers and partners. This familiar interface provides a flexible front end for field teams, collecting data that will then be routed to other business applications, pre-processing data without disrupting any of your current workflows. Powerful integration with platforms like Salesforce, Procore, Smartsheet, ServiceMax, Box, Ignite, Dropbox, G Suite, and Office 365, and more allow data to be passed seamlessly between your mobile forms, your systems of record, and all of those databases. GoForms also provides a small screen optimized viewing mode for every form you have in your account, which can be easily toggled on and off whenever a user may need it out in the field. Mobile forms can be used offline and later synced to your account once a signal does become available. GoForm mobile forms can also host a variety of new data types like images, sketches, GPS, and signatures. So how exactly does GoForms work, you may be asking? Well, you'll start by uploading a JPEG or a PDF of your form on the computer. Then you'll drag and drop all the smart fields. Then once you hit save form and download the GoForms app, you'll be able to start filling out forms as you go. So GoForms empowers your teams to convert those existing forms to digital copies that can be used on phones, tablets, and even offline. Your now mobile forms can host a variety of data types and features paper forms simply couldn't hold. For example, you can easily include project images, GPS data, barcode data straight from your mobile device. These features make it far simpler to detail project progress and keep your team compliant, while also elevating the quality of gathered data and resulting insights. And that's really going to be it for me today, folks, but I'd love to answer some of the questions that we've gotten through this time. So I'll give you a few more moments to enter your questions into the GoToWebinars chat box on the right, and I'll be right back. All right, thank you guys for waiting. So it looks like we have a question from Jim, and Jim asks if his digital forms will look exactly like my paper forms. You know, that's a great question, Jim. I get that all the time with new customers coming to GoForms, and thank you for asking it. Exactly what you're saying. Your now digital copies will look exactly like your paper forms. We're actually the only software company that provides that. So you can easily upload that as a PDF or a JPEG on the website, and then that's going to be the backdrop of your form, or then you will drag and drop all the fields onto to then make it that fillable document that you're hoping for. So thank you. So it looks like that's it for me today, folks. No more questions. I just wanted to thank you so much for joining us today, and I'll be sending each one of you a recording of today's webinar. But if at any point you have any questions or want to schedule a demonstration, don't hesitate to contact me at tpolanco@goforms.com or my direct office line, which is 858-926-7686, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. Will you guys enjoy the rest of your Thursday, and we'll be talking again. Cheers.